Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm just giving a quick channel update. It's been a while. I've been working hard. I just put together my daughter's crib. We're going to be having our third child really soon, and I'm super excited about it, pumped. But I have not been putting out a lot of videos lately, and there's also probably some family and personal friends who watch this channel who, if you're really close to me, you know, but some of you might not know, I was running a full-time woodworking one-man shop, and I am no longer doing it full-time. I've kind of put it aside. I still kept my business, still going to build some for people, but just made a shift to doing it, moving it back to more something that is what I want to do and when I want to do it, and only taking on projects that creatively excite me and, maybe financially worth my while. But I didn't burn out or anything like that. I just found that running the business was really interfering with the thing that matters the most is my family. And the business was going well. We were making it work. It just, when you're a one-man custom shop and you don't want to scale and hire a bunch of employees, and you're doing it without going into debt, it was just very time consuming to make it work as a business to allow our family to keep the lifestyle that we had and wanted. And I can look back and say that I did that, and I'm glad. But I also learned, I love making nice furniture, but I don't necessarily want to run a business. I want to make what I want to make. Just honestly, I found that a lot of people have crappy and bad taste in design, and I just did not want to make stuff that I didn't find beautiful. It was going to be made extremely well, and if they gave me creative freedom, which I had some incredible clients that did, but oftentimes when you're in custom work, people want what they want, and they show you a picture, and you're like, man, this is ugly. But hey, I want to pay the bills. I'm going to do it. I do miss being in the shop daily, but I also now get to shift to make the very things that I want, and really have realized too, the thing that I love to do the most is build furniture for my family. I love to take the wood myself, get the tree, take it through the process, and make it like, here's some things that I did. And I'll even pop up right now some pictures, some photos of some stuff that I did for other clients that I just absolutely loved. It was a blast. It's one of the hardest things I've ever done, but one of the most rewarding things I've ever done running a business. You grow a lot. I grew in my design style. I grew in my skills and ability and all of that, and made some really cool stuff. But at the end of the day, I think the thing that matters most to me is family. And as a dad, we can sacrifice chasing these dreams at the cost of our family. And I was just not going to do that, because I was just missing too much time with them, and knowing that we wanted to grow our family. And so I made the decision I did. There's days that I not regret it, but there's days that I can be sad that I wish I was still doing it. And then other days I'm so glad I don't have to deal with the headaches, because when people call and you want to make this, I can say no, or hey, here's what it's going to cost for me to do it. Like I'm doing a table for somebody very soon, a business that I wanted to do. They gave me creative freedom. I said, this is what it's going to take financially. And they're like, hey, that works. And I was like, good deal. And then they gave me a 7-month runway. And I'm like, shoot, I will take that on. But I'm still going to start trying to put out some videos. But what you're going to see is a shift in the channel is more what I do for my family, and building things that I want to build for my family, my wife, my kids. I've got desks that I'm going to be making. I've got easels and benches and coffee tables and cabinets and jewelry boxes, and also hand tools that I want to build, because I've had to shift a lot of my shop back to my house. But my wife was not willing to really give up her garage, which is all right, but going to be shifted more to more hand tool work here at the house. I've still got my shop and my machine tools, but it is quite a little bit of a drive. And so I'm going to get to do more to the process and the style of woodworking that I really love and want to do. And that's just engulfing myself in the process, and however long it takes to just make the best things possible. I'm still going to try to get logs, still going to be sawmilling at some. Fortunately, did break the chainsaw mill, and so I'm having to save up a little bit of money for a little bit, because it's going to be pretty pricey to get that thing fixed. But that's just life. Things break, and you roll with it. So it's been an incredible faith journey as well. The Lord was just so good to me and my family, and I'm so thankful I got to do what I want to do and worked with some incredible people and still have some great relationships with those builders and people as well. So anyways, I think another thing you might see more content on this channel is me just encouraging dads. Like, I have a big heart for young dads, and if you've been around me anytime, you know that faith and family are the most important things in my life. It's like my walk with Jesus, loving my wife, and I think my kids just got here, so I'm gonna have to shut this down. Being best friends with my wife. She is my best friend, my biggest support, my rock, and I'll tell more about the business journey as well, and how she supported me. And then lastly, my kids are my world, and I want to be the most present daddy that I can possibly be for each of them. My son, who is 3, my oldest daughter, who is 5, and our soon-to-be sweet little newborn, Nora, who'll be here soon. So anyways, thanks for watching. More content to come. Follow along, share it. Not only will it be woodworking, sawmilling, but it'll also just be encouragement for family. It's not going to be really frills and all these camera angles. I'm just not into that, and I'm not trying to be, I can hear them here now, this cool content creator. I'm just trying to be a real dad who's building real things for his family, and just trying to not only just build things out of wood, but build furniture that lasts. But I think the other thing is I want to build furniture that lasts, but more than that, I want to build a faith and a family that lasts. And so come along for the journey, and the circus is back home. So thanks for watching. Until then, keep woodworking, keep building great furniture, and keep building great families.